Agentic AI, hype or the future? Let's start with what is agentic AI itself. On a day to day basis, we all use GPT. And in GPT, it's very straightforward. You ask a question, you will get an answer. And what it suggests is it's very reactive in nature. It waits for your instruction. It cannot do anything beyond its scope. It always waits for the instruction. So, how agentic AI is different from this traditional GPT? First thing, it's very proactive in nature. It means it can figure out the next step itself without human intervention. You provide something, and based on that it can act, and it has a thought process within itself. Let's take an example that you wanted to research a market. The agent can compare vendor, draft a proposal, schedule a meeting by itself. And how it can do that? Because indirectly you can say that it has a brain, it has a thought process where it can act. Consider this as a person who has the knowledge base of your domain, and then it can also figure out the next step itself. And the last and the important thing is it is very interactive in nature. If it does not know, it will clarify his doubt with you. Earlier, what it has is an LLM is know how to respond, but it does not know how to take the next step. But now, because of this agentic AI, it can also have an ability where it can act and take the next step without human intervention. It can go to the next step without waiting for the human interaction. So, who give power to this agent? And the answer is pretty straightforward. It is us who provide them a set of tool where it can act, access, and based on that, it can take action. So we provide them various tools, various instruction, and all the access that it might need to execute those functions. So is it capable of doing everything? The answer is pretty straightforward. No, it has a certain boundary. Within the boundary, it can do everything. But again, it has a limitation as well. So where can agentic AI help? It can help automating complex tasks. It can help you to make smart decision in real time, and it can also freeing people from routine work. And all in all, it can make life easier and business more innovative. Application of agentic AI. So let's start with the first one. Healthcare. AI agent can help automate patient scheduling, aid diagnosis, it can remind about medicine and handle paperwork as well. The second section is finance. Agent can monitor transaction for fraud, analyze market trend, and automate loan approval, and it can speed up the process. The third one is retail and e-commerce. It can provide and assist various users to buy the product and assist them what are the various things. The third is IT operation. It can detect, respond, security threat, fix technical issue, and maintain system healthy automatic. Apart from this, it can help various sector as well, like supply chain, human resource, government and public services, and marketing as well. It can help in any sector where the path is predefined or it's predictive in nature. It can automate those complex tasks as well. And at last, from prompt to progress, agentic AI turns intent into impact, planning, acting, and delivering result while people focus on what only human can imagine. And rest of the thing, your agent will take care.